Okay, now we're going to learn how to clock in at the beginning of your shift when using a Chromebook or a laptop. The first thing you do is look at the desktop on your laptop or Chromebook and look for the Kronos app. This should say time clock. Once you open it, you'll have a screen that looks just like this. In the top field, you need to type in your username. Now typically, this is your first initial and your last name. The second field is for your password. Type it in there, and then left click on Punch In. Notice how it gives me a message that says successfully punched in. So you want to do this anytime you're clocking in for your shift or when returning from a lunch break. Now when you are leaving your shift at the end of the day or clocking out for lunch, you want to do the same thing. You type in your first initial and your last name, type in your password. Next, you left click on Punch Out. And notice it gives you a message that says punched out successfully. That is how you punch in and punch out using a Chromebook or a laptop. Thank you.